Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to add stops in the Google Maps application. So at first we have to make the final destination. So let's just tap somewhere and drop a pin here. Let's tap directions, and as you can see, this is our direction for some random place. We have to tap add stops button here, and now we can search for the second place we want to add between our destination and our current location. So let's, for example, type something here, but as you can see here, we can choose the place on map. So let me just write or choose a map. It will be easier, I guess. So let's, for example, select something here. And now, as you can see, we have the first stop here and the second here, which is our final destination. And these are our stops. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.